most sustainability reports fail without even they begin. Why? Because the wrong things are being reported and right things are overlooked. Materiality is not a checklist, it is a map, a roadmap that tells you what to measure, what to disclose, and what not to miss. Yet 80% of ESG teams treat it like a formality. Tick a box, move on. But professionals who know how to run a materiality process across a stakeholder, climate risk, supply chain, they lead decarbonization narrative, not just report on it. At ESGPro 90-minute live workshop, we will break it down for you. How real company identify what matters and how that shapes net zero action. Because reporting without relevance is just noise, but clarity, that is new currency in ESG, is what delivers the output. One session, ₹99, big clarity. See you inside.